Good Tuesday morning to you. I'm King 5 meteorologist Ashley Ruiz. It is April 1st and we are heading into a drier weather pattern. Not today and not tomorrow. We are going to have showers at times, maybe some sun breaks in the mix, and temperatures will be in the 50s. In fact, we'll be below normal, but we will dry things out and warm things up heading into the weekend. But showers will return early next week. For now, it looks as though it's going to be Sunday night and into Monday, but things could change between now and then. And the reason why we're just trapped with this trough of low pressure, that's our weather pattern right now, keeping things rather showery and cool. This area of low pressure is going to move into Oregon today, and then eventually we're going to dry things out because a ridge of high pressure is going to build over the area, and it's really going to amplify and maximize over the area Saturday. But then it's into Sunday and Monday where it looks to break down, allowing for a couple of systems to move into next week. And you can see on the Futurecast the zoomed out view, just to kind of give you an idea. By Thursday, we're drying things out. You can tell the ridge is building over the area, keeping most of the west coast dry, and then just kind of keeping all of the systems more so into the Pacific. Here's Saturday, but watch what happens. Clouds start to slowly return Sunday and into Monday. This is the European model, so it is giving a slower arrival of the rain, whereas the GFS, the American model, brings it in a little faster. However, we're still several days away from that, and so timing will likely change. That's just one model run. We'll keep you posted. But for now, make plans to be outside over the weekend. Friday and Saturday especially, because we're going to have mostly sunny skies, maybe a little bit of fog to start, and temperatures will start to climb above normal, near 70 degrees for now for Saturday. Yesterday, it looked like Sunday would be the warmest day, but now with clouds moving in during the day Sunday, that should limit some of our daytime warming. But next week, we will be cooler. Here's that area of low pressure I was telling you about that's starting to move into Oregon, and we are going to have just passing showers at times through the day, but most of it falling in the morning from about Bellingham all the way into Seattle and the Seattle Metro. That's as of the mid-morning hours, however. And so things will start to wind down. We'll have hit or miss showers later in the day as well. Not everyone's going to get rained on, but those that do, it's going to be rather light. So you saw a view from our Queen Anne camera, and then we had the cherry blossoms looking beautiful and getting a nice little shower over them this morning. We are going to have more chances for rain, still plenty of chances to go and check them out. They are in peak bloom, and so they're beautiful right now. High temperatures around the area. So you see for the northwest interior, we'll have low and mid 50s, some passing showers as well as sunshine. Into the North Sound, around 52 in Linwood, 53 in Everett. And so these are temperatures that are below normal. So we're kicking things off below normal for April. Mid 50s for the Central Sound, then same for the South Sound, where we could have some more sun breaks. Temperatures generally in the mid 50s, closer to normal. Closer to the coast, all the way from the beach to I-5, we'll have mid 50s. And you see the pattern here where we'll have low and mid 50s and then some sun breaks. Here's this afternoon. So you see how it's really spotty, maybe a couple of light showers up in the mountains, more so closer to maybe Stevens Pass and northward, not expecting any major accumulations. Here's tonight, and you see just some spotty showers. Most of us are going to be dry. However, we'll likely have some convergence setting up somewhere maybe near the Kitsap Peninsula all the way up to the North Sound, Kings, Snohomish County, overnight and into early Wednesday morning. And with that, we could get a quick maybe a quarter of an inch up to half of an inch of rain with that, but most of us are going to get a tenth of an inch maybe or less through Wednesday night. Here's Wednesday afternoon, evening. Once again, just very spotty in nature, not expecting widespread steady rain. The steady rain's falling now, and then once again tonight and into early tomorrow where that convergence sets up. But even then, it's not going to last all day. Here's Thursday morning, waking up to some fog followed by clearing skies, keeping rain chances out of the forecast, because by then, that's when that ridge is really going to take hold. through Thursday, as I mentioned, rain totals very, very low, and you can see Everett. That's where it's painting that picture of where that convergence sets up, but it could be over King County, Snohomish County, or our typical spots that get trapped under that convergence zone. Through Thursday evening, you see snow totals, nothing all too impressive, but a quick couple of inches will be possible. Snow levels about 3,000 to about 3,500 feet. Bringing you the latest on the snow depth, NWAC, the Northwest Avalanche Center, they issue these reports. I love showing them. They issue it twice a month, and so the latest update came out just a couple of hours ago, and this is where we stand on snow depth, not snowpack, but the snow depth. So Mount Baker 148 inches, Snoqualmie Pass about 60 inches, and then Crystal Mountain 84 inches. And this is where we stand with that percent of 30-year normal, so the climatological normal. As of April 1st, Mount Baker 89% up from last month, so some good news there. Snoqualmie Pass and Stevens Pass still below normal, but still not poor. Crystal Mountain above normal, and another reason why they've extended their snow season to the end of May. So something very exciting there, and we'll get more chances for some mountain snow. But this week, the next 7 days, unlikely. So again, if you have any plans to be outside, maybe go to the Tulip Festival, especially this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, really going, or Friday, Saturday, and potentially into Sunday will be the nicest days. And we'll have a couple of chilly mornings as well. Beyond the 7-day forecast, keep in mind, this could definitely change. This is to the middle half of the month next week, and you see temperatures in the low and mid 60s. These numbers are closer to where we should be, the average highs by the end of the month. So we do have some better weather up ahead. We need the rain, although we ended March with above normal rain totals, at least at SeaTac. So that means we are getting closer and filling in that gap for the yearly deficit. You can always find the latest forecast and an extended look at your forecast on King 5 and King 5 Plus, as well as our YouTube page. And download the free King 5 app, always a good tool to have.